Making your own poultry feed on your farm is always interesting, and as a poultry farmer you always feel happy you did so by yourself. Imagine how you will feel that you designed a good formula and make the feed that will grow your birds according to your own timing than buying commercial feed that is already made, that is suited for only one particular formula always. If you want to grow your broilers to a maximum weight within a short period of time, the best option is making a customized feed. That is the feed you make for your own self, not a general feed for everybody. You can as well go to a feed miller and tell them what you need, and they will design a formula and make the feed for you. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you 15 good reasons why you should make your own feed on your farm. All the feed you are seeing here are feed ingredients, and this is our farm. This is our mill where we mill this feed for you. This particular feed you are seeing here belongs to a customer. The next video that is loading, please make sure you watch it. This way I'm going to give you all the full video on and advise you on how to go about it, making your own feed at a very cheap price with high quality. Please make sure you watch the next video after this. Continue watching till the end, and make sure you drop your comment also if you have any question regarding this topic. You need to be aware that you don't need to have all the machineries before you make your own feed. We have feed mill here. You can bring your raw materials, or you contract us to make feed for you. You can as well come with your own feed materials, and we only charge you for the machine charge process alone, so that you only pay for the machine charges while we mill your feed for you. You can still do that. You can still come with your own formula, or we design formula for you also, which you pay for the services. Once you make your own feed, any market changes will not affect you, and your chickens will always have food readily available on your farm. You feed them 24/7 and manage them properly because you have all the feed. You make enough for profit because there will be nothing like increment in the market again. It doesn't concern you because you have your feed already before even the birds arrive. Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. I know that this particular topic will interest every poultry and livestock farmer because it has to do with feed. Feed accounts to more than 75% of the total input in poultry and livestock farming. So if you're a poultry farmer, I will gladly advise you to watch this video from beginning to the end and drop your comment also if you like this video. If this is the first time of coming across this channel, here we teach everything about poultry and livestock. Give this video a thumb up and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. And there is need also for you to go further by becoming a member, a community member of this particular channel, so that you get the best attention and best results from your queries. This particular topic is on feed making for your poultry and livestock animals. May I use this opportunity to welcome you into this year 2025. If you have made serious mistakes last years, please this year make a U-turn and change your pattern of poultry farm so that you make the best results, you make the best profit. What are you doing if you can't make enough profit from your poultry farming? I hope you need to put effort and let your effort pay. In this particular video, I will give you reasons, 15 solid reasons why you should make your own feed on your farm. 15 solid reasons to use farm-made feed in your poultry farm. That is customized feed, the feed you make by yourself with your own ingredients instead of using commercial feed. This is what this video is all about, and make sure you share this video to reach more farmers in order to encourage them. When you talk about making feed, some farmers will tell you they don't have this machine, they don't have the right machine. Some are even scared of going into poultry farm technology. What it's all about is just getting little equipment, small equipment, machines that will crush this feed for you. Even if you can't get them, you have feed meal. Like here, we have feed meal. You can still make your feed with us. You can just do your own feed. Let it be that you make your own feed by yourself with a very good formula that will match the breed of bird and the timing. So commercial feed is feed for all. They are called livestock feed. That feed is for every. You see that most birds, different birds are drawn there. You can get maximum weight within a short period of time if you make your own feed, because you know what you need and you know what you use to get that result. That's what it means. So when you are making your own feed, you can get the maximum result. There are a lot of benefits making your own feed or making the feed with a feed miller. That is, you take your material or you take your raw materials to a feed miller and they mill the feed for you. Either you pay them and they buy the materials and make that feed for you. It's different from buying already made feed in the market. Already made feed in the market may not give you the same result with customized feed. So in this particular video, watch to the end so that I'll give you the 15 reasons I have for you here to use farm-made feed instead of commercial feed. One is cost effective. Farm-made feed is significantly cheaper since you can source ingredients locally. You cut out the middlemen and avoid inflated prices from feed companies. Customization is another one. You can tailor the feed formula to match the exact nutritional need of your poultry or livestock, ensuring better growth and production results. Here you tell the miller that this you want your best, this is the type of bird you have, and this is the timing you want to sell your birds within 5 or 6 weeks. They will know the formula they will give you that will give you that result. But for commercial feed, it's already made. So there's no way you can change it unless you are using feed additive or you are using feed supplement. That's the only way you can get a different result from that commercial, because it is one formula that they set in the market and they already produce the feed and it's the market. But you can tailor your own formula according to your need, according to the duration you want to keep the birds. Assuming you have broiler and you want this broiler to stay with you for 5 weeks, you can formulate a feed that will give you best result within 5 weeks. That is what it means. Improve feed quality. Commercial feed often contain fillers or low-grade ingredients. With farm-made feed, you control the quality and ensure no harmful additives are included. Higher profit margins. Lower feed cost means higher profit. By investing in a feed mill or mixer, you will save money over time and increase your returns. Better growth performance. Customized feed boosts growth rate as they meet specific dietary requirements, improving weight gain in broilers and milk production in dairy animals. Healthier animals. Farm-made feed allow you to include organic supplements, herbs, and natural ingredients that enhance immunity and prevent diseases. Commercial feed doesn't have any medicinal, either organic or synthetic, in it, because it is purely commercial and they are restricted from doing this. So with your own farm-made feed, you can add some of these organics that will help to boost the growth and at the same time boost the immunity of your poultry birds. But you can't get that in commercial feed. Healthier animals. Farm-made feeds allow you to include organic supplements, herbs, and natural ingredients that enhance immunity and prevent diseases. So with the feed you make on your farm, you can add all these organic plants that I've been teaching you in my channel. You can add them in that feed. No law restricts you from doing that, because this feed you make for yourself for the benefit of your livestock animals and to get the best result you need. But commercial feed doesn't have that. There is no commercial feed that will add neem or ginger or turmeric in their feed, because on the farm feed you can add organic extracts, organic plants that can enhance the immunity of your poultry birds, whereas commercial feed doesn't have that. Transparency is another one. You know exactly what goes into the feed. This reduces the risk of contamination from toxins, antibiotics, or harmful chemicals often found in commercial feed. Availability of local ingredients. Many ingredients like maize, cassava, soya, groundnut cake, and fish meals are readily available locally, making feed production more sustainable. Reduce dependency on feed companies. You no longer have to rely on fluctuating market prices or supply chain disruptions that can lead to feed shortages. Flexibility in formulation. Farm-made feeds allow you to adapt to changes and seasons and feed costs. For example, you substitute expensive ingredients with cheaper alternatives without sacrificing quality. Encourages recycling. You can recycle farm waste like vegetable peels, maize, cobs, and other products into nutritional feed ingredients, reducing farm waste and cost. Commercial feed cannot add all this home waste, all this kitchen waste into their feed at all. It's not possible. Boost organic farm practices. By making your own feed, you can integrate organic additives like neem leaves, moringa, and soursop juice to improve production naturally and appeal to eco-conscious market. Improves feed conversion ratio. Customized feeds optimize nutrient balance, helping livestock animals convert feed into body weight or production more efficiently. Increase market demand for your products. Consumers are drawn to healthier, organic, and antibiotic-free animal products. Farm-made feed help you produce premium quality meat, egg, and milk. Knowledge and skill empowerment. Learning to formulate your own feed builds your farming expertise and position you as a well-grown and authority in the agricultural space. This can even open up new income streams like training other farmers. If you make your own feed, most rarely you use your own products to formulate your own feed instead of using market feed. You have a lot to gain, and we can't continue talking about it here. So if as you're a poultry farmer, you start making your own feed instead of using commercial feed. Making your own feed, tell the miller, because all this commercial feed, you are not there when they make it, and you don't contribute anything at all. They produce it according to the standard and send it to the market. But with farm-made feed, you can tell the producer, this is what I need. Please, I need organic to be added. They will add all those things for you, and it's going to help you to boost your farm produce, and at the same time increase your production and profit. So you need to switch over to this. You can see the next video that is loading is already farm-made feed. We have all the ingredients to produce the feed for you. Switching from commercial feed to farm-made feed is not just an option. It is a necessity for smarter, more profitable farming. By making this change, you will save money, boost animal health, and improve production quality. All you need is to take control of your farm future. If this video is helpful to you and you feel this video is very interesting, give it a thumb up, like it, share this video to reach more farmers. And at the same time, if you have any question or you want to go into farm-made feed, drop a comment below if you are ready to make your own feed or want me to share a step-by-step guide on feed formulation. Let me know on the comment section. Or you want to make feed and you don't know where to go, we have me where you can do this as fast as and as cheap as anything you can think of. You only convey the feed to your farm. As you see in the next video that is loading, we have already made feed for this customer, and the feed is loading to the base now. You see everything in that particular video. So let's meet on the comment section. Tell me on the comment section so that I will guide you on how to go about it. It is very simple, and it will give you the best result ever you ever imagine. So try and do that, and you get the best result in your poultry farming. Please share this video, drop your comments, tell me your challenges in making your own feed, and if you have any question regarding feed making, tell me on the comment section. Let me guide you on how to go about it. Drop your comments, share this video to reach more farmers. If you are not subscribed up till now, please subscribe and activate the bell. Anytime you subscribe, please activate the bell notification so that anytime we release an update on any topic at all concerning poultry and livestock, you'll be notified by this our wonderful app so that you get the video at the right time. Please join our channel membership so that you contribute to the growth of this channel that is giving you the best on how to handle your business. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Don't go far. For now, I say bye.